Hello guys, I'm from digisoul.cn or digisoul.ru. You can click on our website to do some research, and all our price is reasonable. Now, look at this shoe. It's authentic Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Black Metallic Gold. And first, let me introduce the shoe box. It's a classical box of Air Jordan 1 Retro. And you can find the Nike logo here. And also, other side. And in this side, you can catch the tag. You can find some other information about this shoe. Now open it. Now let's turn to the shoe. And look at this shoe, you can find main color is black. And here you can catch the metallic gold logo. And also here the Air Jordan. And also you can find the basketball here. And you can find the shoe is very clean and very cool. And here you can catch the stitching skills. It's very good. Now look at the front. You also can see the toe box. A beautiful design and beautiful skills. Now you can find there's some holes on ramps here. Also the black shoelace. And here you can catch the Nike Air logo on tongue here. And you can see the shoelace. It's a different color from this black. You can change it depending on your favorite. Now look at this side. You also can get the metallic gold Nike logo and a good stitching skills. Now let's turn to the back. It's very simple. You can have a look at the good stitching skills. Now let's look at inside. First you can catch the shoe tree. It's a very nice quality. Now also here you can catch the tag. And here you can also catch the product code here. And the shoe tree. Also look at the insole. You can find the Nike Air logo. And here you can touch, it's very soft. Now let's turn to the bottom. See the bottom? You can find it's very beautiful. The design. And in this part you can find the Nike logo here. You also can see the gold and shining. You can find. That's all. If you are interested in this shoe, you can click on our website digisoul.cn or digisoul.ru to do some research to know more information about this shoe. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.